welcome to Dev's Kitchen. Today we are going to see one healthy recipe. It is chickpeas fry. Chickpeas we do make at home a lot of times, but today we are going to see in Kerala style. This will be quite different, at the same time very tasty. Definitely you have to try. And before we get into the recipe, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon. Come, let's quickly get into the recipe. Thank you. Let's see what are the requirements. Half a teaspoon of mustard, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves. At the time of using, we have to mince the garlic and use. 2 small onions finely chopped. 25 curry leaves. For this recipe, curry leaves needs to be more. Quarter coconut grated. And 250 ml glass of chickpeas I have soaked in water for overnight. And we have transferred it to a cooker, and you have to fill the water to the level of chickpeas and add quarter teaspoon of salt and close it with the lid, and I'm going to keep in medium flame for 5 minutes. So now it is perfectly cooked. We have just taken the chickpeas out of water. Once the kadai gets heated, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. For this recipe we have to use only coconut oil. So 3 tablespoons, and first mustard and green chilies, just give a fry and add the minced garlic, and now onion and curry leaves. Just fry it. We don't need to overcook it, just the onion needs to turn white. So now it's fine. At this stage, let's add the chickpeas. Just mix them. And we have to add salt now. I'm taking half a teaspoon of salt. Already at the time of cooking in cooker, we have added salt. So as per your requirement, you can add salt. Just mix them. And now let's add the grated coconut. Once you add the grated coconut, just mix it gently. You don't need to cook and all, just mix it and turn off the stove. It's perfectly cooked now. You can serve it. See, such a simple recipe guys. Definitely you have to try. Thank you.